before the three-roller gate is installed. Let's first introduce the components of the three-roller gate. The black one in the middle is our square. To the light, on the left and right sides are our cardboards. Then open the chassis. Let's take a look at the internal structure. What catches your eye are three large pieces of fried chicken main board. Chicken heart access control main board. On the right is the main board of fried chicken. Chicken heart in the middle. On the left is the main board. Take a closer look. The main board of the gate includes an air switch, power transformer, main board. The whole middle area is the movement. The black part is the solenoid valve. The red part is the limit switch. The main function is to limit the number of people passing through. This part is the drop induction solenoid valve power off and open the gate. Play the role of fire protection linkage. Next is the access control part. Includes access control power supply and access control main board. The main function is to give the gate a signal to open and close the door. Control opening and closing. Installation tools need to be prepared before the gate is installed. Power cord, network cable, and poison head. Open gate side panel. Set the gate in position first. Mark the hole with a marker. Use expansion screws to secure the gate. General access control board and gate main board wiring. It was picked up before the game. Just connect the single head of the access control panel. There are two access control drug heads. One poisonous head in the door and one poisonous head out the door, mainly wired to the non-porous terminal of the gate. There are two types of access control drug heads, IC and ID. There are 6 threads on the poison head, and the colors are different. Find the red, black, green, white line. Just connect the red, black, green, and white to the 5-hole terminal. When installing, the 5-hole terminal faces the installer. Wiring of the same color from left to right. This is the state after the terminals are connected. Cut off the excess thread. Then plug the installed terminal into the access control, inside the 5-hole slot. Operate like this. Then the other end of the one-headed fried chicken should be fixed on, inside the card window. Please fix the picture as shown in the video. Then use the same method to fix another one-headed. Plug it into the plug corresponding to the access control main board. In the end, the single head is tied. After connecting, power up the channel gate. The power cord needs to be pre-embedded before construction. Connect the 0 wire of the live wire. Use the network cable connected to the crystal head. Plug it into the main board. All right. It's ready to power on. Stick to close the chassis. This is the installation process of the 3-roller gate wiring. Did you learn when you saw this?